In this video, we'll demonstrate how to install CTs in the SolarEdge backup interface. This video was recorded in a closed training environment. Refer to the manual and adhere to your company's safety practices while in the field. For a whole home backup, CTs will be placed on the grid connection conductors with the source arrow pointed towards the grid. For partial home backup, CTs will be placed in the main panel on the service entrance with the source arrow pointed towards the grid. Once the CTs have been installed, wire them to the CT terminal blocks and connect them to the CT Line 1 and CT Line 2 connection points. Once the installation is complete, connect to the Energy Hub inverter via SolarEdge Set app to verify settings. Once connected, select Status. In the status screen, ensure that the inverter production is off on all inverters on site. Next, scroll down to the Import/Export meter status screen. Verify that the export meter is reading 0. Lastly, verify that the import values make sense for the site. Congratulations! You've successfully and correctly installed SolarEdge CTs in the SolarEdge backup interface. Thanks for joining us today. Please be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful videos.